Good morning, students. How are you today? It is Tuesday, August 11th, and I just have one quick announcement before you come to class. And that announcement is today we're taking the iReady reading test. Remember, this is the first test of the year, which means that the scores don't do anything but tell me what to teach. They don't actually show any growth because we're just now starting the school year out. So although I want you to do your best, I really do not want you to stress about this test. Couple of things I want to explain to you about the test before you get to class so we can just jump right into it. And the first one is that in the training I learned that we all have to keep our cameras on. Typically, I do not care whether you turn your camera on or not. But for this particular situation, what you're going to do is you're going to turn your camera on and then you're going to go open the iReady link. So don't feel like you're going to be on display for everyone else. They're not going to be able to see you. I just have to do it because it's the only way that I can monitor a test from home. So that's the first thing. The first thing is you're going to have to turn your camera on and keep it on the entire time. The second thing I want to talk to you about is the fact that this test is adaptive, which I do understand is frustrating to some of us. But what they mean when they say adaptive is the test starts out with a really hard question, like not a 6th grade level question, like a 10th grade level question, and then it drops it down to an easier question. Then it goes up, and then it comes down, and then it goes up until it finds that mid-range of where you're performing. So you're not going to recognize all of the questions because you're not supposed to recognize all of the questions. It's supposed to get harder and easier until it figures out exactly where you are in the educational continuum. So do not freak out when it asks you a question that is absolutely mind-blowing that you've never heard of. You're not supposed to have heard of it yet. It might be a 10th or 11th grade question. Okay? That being said, that if there's a question you don't know, do not sit there on it for forever because it's probably one that you're not supposed to know. So guess and move forward, okay? Please don't let this stress you out. This is not part of your grade. This will not be a grade for you at all. This will be a baseline. It kind of tells us where we start our race for 6th grade. It is a indicator to me of what standards I need to teach. And that's it. All it is it tells you where you're starting and it tells me what direction we need to go. That's all this test does. So with that being said, I want you to do your best. I appreciate you following the instructions of turning your cameras on for the entire time and understand that's just for the test. And I am so excited because after this we get to actually start the curriculum. So I will see you guys at 8:30. Thank you for watching this. Bye.